Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be opening these 5 lightning power boxes. Within these power boxes, there is one ultra rare card, 14 foils, and a mini binder. So let's open these, and hopefully the ultra rare cards that we get are really good. So here is the mini binder. Looks really cool. We have Dialga and Palkia on the front, and then we have 3 starters. Oh, it's from the 3 starters from Legends Arceus. I don't know if you all played it or not. So here we go. I'll open it like this so that way I don't see the cards. So the special rare is Ho-Oh-EX. And now we're on to the special, the hollows and the foil cards. Spoink, Switch, Fighting Gong, Raboots, Shuckle, Clawblitzer, Kyogre, Repel, Heliolisk, Seedot, Meganium, and Cinderace, Lunaton, and Stuffle. Now it's time for number 2. It's just the same binder as little binder as always. I'll move this special rare to the back. Okay, so now here we go. Sandslash, Lily's Rebombi, with Miss Cottony, Milk Tank, Porygon 2, Maroc, Ivan's Greedence, Furence, Zamazenta, Ethan's Magarko, Ethan's Typhlosion, Tyranitar, Team Rocket's Coughing, and another Ho-Oh-EX. That is insane. Time for pack box number 3. Put these over here. Everything, yep. This one's in a thing, so maybe. What? Never seen this card before. Morpeko V Union. Oh my. Or 2 Morpeko V Union stuff. Victini, Diglett, Parasect, Clefable, Electrode, Aerodactyl, Caterpie, Leftovers, Beedrill, Zeraora, Team Rocket's Botherbot, Team Rocket's Mimikyu, and Palmont EX. I wonder why this one's in like this one. That's weird. Now it's time for box number 4. So far, I think it's okay. I just feel like we got the wrong. This guy. I feel like I got the wrong boxes. Don't really need these anymore. Nickit, Shedinja, Dialga, Kyogre, Tangrowth, Lopunny, Houndstone, sorry, Steelix, Corphish, Toxicroak, Gumshoos, Crawdont, Premium Power Pro, Pokemon Central Lady. Let's see, what's the last card? What's our ultra rare? What's another Ho-Oh EX? Good lord, that's three out of the 4 boxes we open has been Ho-Oh EXs. That's insane. So it's Puppetar. So the last one. Cottonee, Litleo, Bronzor, Dreepy, Xerneas, Shyman, Cherrycade, Zarudi, Celio, Tabulb, Fanpy, Toadschool, Barboach, and let's this last one, Palma. So overall, I think it's alright, but I don't think we got our money's worth off of it, but that's okay. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe and comment what you think about these boxes.